Good morning.
So, did you cue the magic yesterday?
Yes.
Oh, so क्या किया?
Um, while I was on my way, actually I saw a car which was like broken. It was not accidental. Basically, वो खराब थी. It was broken. So I was praying, like showing gratitude. See, कि I'm on my way. I'm going to my to some place and I'm fine. So I was showing gratitude, lot of gratitude towards it. There were many incidents. Like even I saw an ambulance also. Then also I was showing gratitude. Then there was one more incident which happened to me. I'm not just recollecting that. I showed gratitude many times yesterday. I went to,
Wow.
yeah, it was a good, it was a nice exercise basically. It was good. It was fun. True, it was fun.
I really like this exercise. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कुछ कुछ ढूंढना है बस, right? Good morning, Ravi. Good morning. You are mute.
गुड मॉर्निंग। हाँ, ठीक है। हेलो।
Good morning. Good morning.
अटक रहा है।
Yes. Good morning. Good morning, Chitra.
Good morning.
So, how was your day yesterday? What cues did you see yesterday? Chitra, we can't see you.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. So, what were your cues yesterday, Chitra?
मैं बहुत different और intense थे. I don't know how to put it. So थोड़ा I was lost yesterday.
Okay.
So it started with being one of those light, nice ones. So I woke up to a lovely queue of a message that someone had completed what they were looking for. So I was feeling quite nice, and it gave me a motivation that yes, one can really be determined. And so thanks for the determination and thanks for the effort. So वो अच्छा लगा. Then I got from somewhere the book what Order from the Cosmic Kitchen and Ask and It Is Given. तो वैसे करके दो books आए अचानक from someone. So I'm on one book lovers group and जैसे मतलब so many books, sometimes finance के books आते हैं वगैरह, but yesterday the books that came was Ordering from the Cosmic Kitchen and Esther Hicks का Ask and
Wow.
It's Given. So I was like, okay, so this is again
Yeah.
telling me be specific, ask and order from the kitchen. So like so I was feeling very nice with that. So वो एक क्यू आया था, which I really liked a lot. But then through the day afterwards, it started becoming very intense. It was actually cues were coming more, which were not too good. Okay, like yesterday, suddenly I went for a
Okay,
checkup,
so
and yeah,
just a minute. So, when we look at cues, right,
yeah,
we don't have to decide whether they are good or they are not good.
sure,
ठीक है? When we look for make them good, we have to visualize something good out of that. For example, if you see an ambulance, तो
hmm,
वन आप एम्बुलेंस देख के ये सोच सकते हो यार मुझे एम्बुलेंस की कब जरूरत पड़ जाएगी,
correct,
right? But the right way you start looking at you have health, अभी चल फिर सक रहे हो, हाथ पैर आईज नोज सब सलामत है, right?
yeah, I agree.
Zone and give that all your organs, हाँ. So in this respect, no cue can be negative.
No, so maybe I phrased it wrong. What I meant was like morning jitne aaye the, I was it was easier for me to give gratitude to it. It was easier for me to feel happy about it. But what I meant was, as the day progressed, with me personally, though, that's probably why I'm using the word bad, was that I went for a normal checkup. So, an exact case was about going to a hospital. And so I did see an ambulance. I thanked, I gave gratitude that at least achieve health and all that. But after I went and saw the doctor, I was asked to do a CT scan. Okay. And so when I had to go for a CT scan, and so then the whole thing shifted. So, I got lost in the fact that what can I be grateful for? Because Abhi Bahar to, like I said, ambulance. And then I was a little lost. So mere dimag mein, how do I, when I am asked, when I'm going to the hospital after thanking, when I'm going and I'm asked to do a CT scan, I didn't know how to react to that situation. So that's probably why I'm using the word bad, because I don't know how to interpret that cue.
आप म्यूट हो डॉक्टर, आप म्यूट हो.
The way to give gratitude for this situation would have been Chitra saying that, the doctor took so much interest in me. This is for early diagnosis, right? And I'm able to get it done.
Okay.
Right? And in fact, Kali, I was talking to one of my colleagues. हो रहा है, and my colleague has told me कि जाके CT chest करा ले. So she was very irritated and annoyed कि CT क्यों कराना है, and आके कुछ भी बोल देता है, तो अब I'm thinking कराऊं नहीं कराऊं, so I'm getting stressed up and all of that. You're getting stressed up. आजकल तो CT is the basic कोविड केसेस वी आर हैविंग, सीबीसी वगैरह में उतना आ ही नहीं रहा है. आरटीपीसीआर बहुत बार नेगेटिव आ जाता है, शुरू में पॉजिटिव आता भी नहीं है. तो बेसिक टेस्ट है. अगर तुझे फीवर है और तू रूल आउट करना चाह रही है तो करा लेना जाकर, क्या पड़ रहा है. ठीक है. तो आई अंडरस्टैंड आई बीइंग अ डॉक्टर, लगता है व्हाई दिस, मुझे क्यों बोला गया है. तो चित्रा, ऐसे कुछ और भी थे कल क्या?
Yeah.
So what you should do, no, so situations थे, I understand the slightly different situations. What happened? Chitra, can you hear me?
And now I can.
Okay. तो what I would suggest that you do is, आज आप उन situations को दोबारा से लो और पेन और पेपर पे उन situations के लिए gratitude दो.
Sure.
ठीक है. कल वो suddenly आए थे first time, you know how you are feeling, very very categorically you know that you didn't like them and they took you in a different zone.
Yes.
Right? So write them today one by one. Don't let it go like this or stay like this, and come in a comfort zone back again.
Sure.
ठीक है. आज देखते हैं कौन सा चैप्टर है, एंड लेट्स सी वो आपको क्या हेल्प करता है. You can see my screen, no?
Yes, we can.
Great. देखें कौन सा चैप्टर है.
Good one.
I had no clue. I had no clue. Yes, Chitra. Okay. Magically transform mistakes into blessings. Wow. Yes, Chitra.
Turn your wounds into wisdom. Oprah Winfrey.
What else did you need today?
Yeah.
Yes.
Every single mistake is a blessing in disguise. Today's magical practice will prove it because you're about to discover that there are actually untold blessings hidden within every mistake. A child makes many mistakes while learning how to ride a bike or ride, and we don't give it a second thought because we know that through the mistakes they will learn and eventually master what they're trying to do. So, why is it that adults are so hard on themselves when they make a mistake? The same rule that applies to children also applies to you. We all make mistakes, and if we didn't make them, we'd never learn anything and we wouldn't grow any smarter or any wiser. We have the freedom to make our own choices, and that means we have the freedom to make mistakes.
आपकी आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है थोड़ी चित्रा.
Is it clear now?
हाँ, आवाज थोड़ी सी चित्रा आपको.
No, आज internet भी थोड़ा I don't know what. Its voice is breaking.
अब ठीक है.
Hello, is it clear now?
Yeah.
Yes, Chitra.
Mistakes can hurt, but if we don't learn from the mistake we have made, the pain we have suffered from it has been for nothing. In fact, by the law of attraction, we will make the same mistake over and over again until the consequences hurt us so much that we finally learn from it. It's the very reason why mistakes hurt, so that we do learn from them and don't make them repeatedly. To learn from a mistake, we first have to own it, and this is where many people can become undone.
I was lost. Chitra, now you can continue. Just a minute. Give me a second and I will have to share my. Yes.
Mistakes can hurt, but if we don't learn from the mistake we have made, the pain we have suffered from it has been for nothing. In fact, by the law of attraction, we will make the same mistake over and over again until the consequences hurt us so much that we finally learn from it. It's the very reason why mistakes hurt, so that we do learn from them and don't make them repeatedly. To learn from a mistake, we first have to own it, and this is where many people can become undone because they often blame someone else for their mistake. Let's consider the scenario of being pulled over by the police for speeding and being given a speeding ticket. Instead of taking responsibility for the fact that we were speeding, we blame the police because they were hiding in the bushes on the highway around a bend. We couldn't see them. They had a radar gun, and so we didn't stand a chance. But the mistake was ours because we were the one who chose to speed. The problem with blaming other people for a mistake is that we will still suffer the pain and consequences of our mistake, but we didn't learn from it, and so, bingo, we'll attract making the same mistake again. You are human, you will make mistakes, and it is one of the most beautiful things about being human. But you must learn from your mistakes, otherwise, your life will have a lot of unnecessary pain. How do you learn from a mistake?
So how many of us can relate to this? कि हम लोग अपने साथ बहुत क्रूएल होते हैं कि नहीं होते हैं?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? Yes.
So, how do you learn from a mistake? Gratitude. No matter how bad something may seem, there are always many things to be grateful for. When you look for as many things as you can to be grateful for in a mistake, you magically transform the mistake into blessings. Mistakes attract more mistakes, and blessings attract more blessings. Which would you prefer? Today, think about a mistake you have made in your life. It doesn't matter whether it was a big or a small mistake, but choose one that still hurts when you think about it. Maybe you lost your temper with a person close to you, and the relationship hasn't been the same since. Maybe you put blind faith in another person and got burnt. Maybe you told a white lie to protect someone, and because of it, you ended up in a difficult situation. You might have chosen the cheaper option on something, and it all went wrong and ended up costing you a whole lot more. You might have thought you were making the right decision about something, but it completely backfired on you. Once you've chosen a mistake to magically transform into blessings, look for the things to be grateful for. To help you, there are two questions you can ask yourself. What did I learn from the mistake? What are the good things that came out of the mistake? The most important things to be grateful for about every mistake are the things you learned from it. And no matter what the mistake, there are always many good things that came out of it and altered your future for the better. Think this through very carefully and see if you can find a total of 10 blessings to be grateful for. Every blessing you find has magical power. Write out your list in a gratitude journal or type them on a computer. Let's take an example of being caught speeding by a police car and receiving a fine. 1. I'm grateful to the police for wanting to protect me from harming myself, because after all, that was all they were trying to do. 2. I'm grateful to the police because I am honest with myself. I was thinking about other things and I wasn't concentrating on the road. 3. I'm grateful to the police because it was foolish to put myself at risk speeding with a tire that needed to be replaced. Four, I'm grateful to the police for the wake up call. Being pulled over did affect me and it will make me watch my speed and drive more carefully in the future. 5. I'm grateful to the police because somehow I had a wild idea that I could speed without getting caught and without putting myself in danger. The seriousness of the police made me face up to the fact that I was putting both myself and others in serious danger. 6. I'm grateful to the police because if I think about my own family being put in danger by other speeding drivers, then I definitely want the police to stop speeding drivers. 7. I'm really grateful to the police for the work they do in trying to ensure the safety of every person and family on the roads. 8. I'm grateful to the police. They must see heartbreaking situations every day, and all they're trying to do is protect my life and my family's life. 9. I'm grateful to the police for making sure that I arrived home safely and walked through the door to my family as I usually do. 10. I'm grateful to the police because of all the possible consequences that could have stopped me from my speeding. The police pulling me over was the least harmful consequence, and it could have been the biggest blessing of my life. I would strongly urge you to take any mistakes you have made in your life that you still feel bad about and in your own time follow this magnificent and magical practice. Think about it through one mistake you have the power to bring many blessings. What else guarantees dividends like that?
Wow. About our mistakes like this. किसी ने भी पहले कभी ऐसे सोचा है? I तो have never thought.
Yeah, brilliant.
To keep sulking for so long that I think I miss all the opportunity to give gratitude and learn from it. Yes, Chitra, let's see what is the magic practice.
Magic practice number 26. Magically transform mistakes into blessings. 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you're grateful. Read your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. 2. Choose one mistake you made in your life. 3. Find a total of 10 blessings you're grateful for as a result of making that mistake and write them down. 4. To help you find blessings, you can ask yourself the questions: what did I learn from the mistake? And what are the good things that came out of the mistake? 5. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words: thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Wow. Thank you, Chitra, for reading this chapter for us. So, Chitra, do you have the answer of what you have to do today?
Yes, I do. See, I think I was telling it wrong. I'm not saying that I did not give, but I'm saying that it became difficult yesterday for me, was what I was trying to say. It was not about not
Yes.
giving, because I did come out saying that at least chalo yaar kuch to I will get to know about why the headache. एक scan करेंगे तो अच्छी बात है ना. So good the doctor asked me. So I'm closer to the solution. So that was there. What I was saying is that it seemed easy when we read yesterday, looking at, those, when you say the magic cues, that excitement of little things.
Right.
And the fact that I was trying to say that it turned out to be those intense things. Lagta tha it is like, that's why I went when I said the morning was very cute, and you said a book and this messages,
Yeah.
that those were the nice parts. I said that it became too intense. Like as the day progressed, the cues were very intense, so it became more difficult to give gratitude. It's not that I didn't give,
Yes.
but it
Yes.
was becoming
So,
intense.
हाँ,
और नहीं लगा कि वो भी एक cue है. I look at
right.
that way.
So, Chitra, जब भी it becomes difficult for us to give gratitude, no?
हाँ.
The only message we are getting is we have to give more. Remember, also we experienced this in our chapters, ki wherever, it to normal. Right? So, it's the same. And yes, you are very right in saying कि cues शुरू में जो लगते हैं ना कि बहुत सिंपल हैं, अगर आप उनको सीरियसली सोचने लगो तो कई बार वो पूरी एनर्जी ले लेते हैं आपकी टू कीप योर फोकस टुवर्ड्स ग्रैटिट्यूड रादर देन टेक इट द अदर साइड. You really have to be alert, you have to be attentive, you have to be focused, you have to keep shifting your focus again and again, which is why we are doing this course, and which is why it's 30 days कि 30 days के बाद में वो फोकस शिफ्ट ऑटोमेटिकली होने लग जाता है, बहुत ज्यादा एफर्ट नहीं करना पड़ता है. यस, तन्वी आपका कैसा चल रहा है?
Very, very good. I have good news. मेरा जो 200 steps आगे का 10 goals था, उसमें से first 2 complete हो गया.
वाओ, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड.
2 चीज था. एक तो था कि मेरे को टाइम पे अपना स्क्रिप्ट खत्म करना, एंड ये सेल्फ गोल था. मतलब इट्स नॉट लाइक मेरे को कोई दिया था ये टाइमलाइन. सो खुद का टाइमलाइन से स्टिक करके कंप्लीट हम लाइफ में कुछ नहीं किया, वो भी इतना मेहनत करके. सो दिस वाज अ वेरी बिग थिंग फॉर मी. एंड दूसरा था कि ये पूरा प्रोसेस ऑफ राइटिंग दिस थिंग मेरे को बहुत एंजॉय करना है. सो ये 2 चीज था मेरा, एंड दोनों बहुत ब्यूटिफुली हुआ. इनफैक्ट मेरा फैमिली मेरे को बोल रहा था कि we've never seen you behave like this. ऐसे काम के आसपास इतना एक्साइटेड एंड जॉयफुली, एंड खुद का गोल ऐसे कंप्लीट करना. इवन मेरी पियानिस्ट भी मेरे को बोल रही थी कि नॉर्मली तुम्हारा जब डेडलाइन आ रहा होता है बहुत फ्रैंटिक रहती हो, एकदम डरी हुई रहती हो, एंड अभी एकदम एटीट्यूड डिफरेंट है तुम्हारा, इतने हेल्दी तरीके से जॉयफुली कर रही हो. सो इवन द पीपल हु वर्किंग विद मी अराउंड मी हैव नोटिस्ड दिस डिफरेंस. सो एंड आई हैव टू से इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड. सो थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you,
And
Tanvi, and
Chitra, I keep
congrats.
on talking to Chitra beach mein, so thank you. You also give me so much happiness, you have no idea.
Thank you so much, Vicky. Thank you.
Very nice, very nice. Perfect. So let's end the day today with our beautiful lines. Yes. This little light of mine,
This little light of mine,
let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
this
This
little
little light of mine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. This little light of mine, let it shine,
Let it shine,
let it
Let it
shine.
shine.
Wow. Great. Thank you, everybody. Have a perfect, awesome day. And Nishant, tomorrow be ready.
Sure,
Nishant?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Nishant?
Hello.
No worries. We'll send him a message. Perfect. So we only have now.
गायब हो गई डॉक्टर चित्रा भी
There seems to be an internet issue from ma'am's side today.
Yeah.
I couldn't listen to many of the conversation.
हाँ same. Nishant, how was Goa?
Okay. So ma'am told everyone, okay.
कैसा था? कोविड नहीं लेके आया ना?
No. I was quarantined for 2 days, self-quarantined in my house, and got tested myself, and it came negative. So
Oh,
that's
wow.
not an issue. Yeah. So
Well, how
yeah.
did you manage to keep safe in Goa? Mask
First of all, like, actually there were no cases in Goa.
अच्छा.
So very few. Like in Margao, they have only 4 cases. So in North Goa, they have like only 15 to 20 cases. So in first place, they didn't have many cases, and yeah, other part was like wearing mask and avoiding the parties. So I just relaxed on beach, explored the lonely beaches and workstations, so I can go in future on a vacation over there. Yeah.
I think doctor's coming back.
I don't
No
think.
idea.
I don't think she's gonna come back.
Okay. Then have a good day, guys.
Bye.
Yeah. Have a great
Thank
day
you.
too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
bye.
Bye bye.